This video will go over how to look up a couple of different climate information facts for individual months over a large span of years. So again, we'll want to start by clicking on the Now Data tab on the far right hand side here, and we'll want to choose the location we're interested in. For this example, we'll say we were interested in Spencer, Iowa. So we'll click the Spencer area tab there, and then we'll want to click the third bullet down here, the monthly summarized data. For this example, we will say that we're interested in the warmest temperature each month over, say, the last 20 years. So the time frame that we'll put in here is 2000 to 2019. We'll want to select max temperature, and then daily maximum will give us the warmest max temperature for each month over the years that we've selected. Once we hit go, again, it will give us the last or every year from 2000 to 2019, and then what the warmest temperature during that month was for that time frame. It'll also list the warmest temperature over that entire time frame for each month, listed down at the bottom, as well as the coolest max temperature. We can do this same thing with precipitation or even snowfall, using a table with how much fell, the average, and you can also change the time frame here. If you are interested in the entire period of record, you would type in POR for period of record, and that's going to give you the entire time frame that station has been in existence and has reported data. So again, by typing in POR, we get all the way back to 1895, and what the precipitation amount was for each of those months. And again, you can look at the averages over that time frame, as well as the maximum and minimum amount of precipitation for each month. One final thing that this third bullet, the monthly summarized data feature provides, is you can check to see the number of days for different parameters. So let's say we are interested in the number of days each month that the minimum temperature falls below, say, 32 degrees, so falls below freezing. So we'll just want to choose minimum temperature, number of days under the summary tab there, and then our threshold is going to be 32. If we hit go, this is going to be the number of days for each year that fell below freezing for each month. Probably the most useful part of this is to scroll all the way down to the bottom, and this is going to give you the average number of days each month that the coldest temperature falls below 32, what the most number of days has been over that entire time frame that we selected, and then what the minimum number of days or the lowest number of days was that the temperature fell below 32 degrees.